Hello traders, welcome to the channel. In this video we're gonna learn how to use FYERS. Okay, when you want to start trading you will be using any platform, right? So I preferred FYERS, which is very suitable for beginners and user friendly. Okay, we will gonna cover every tool in this. Let me start with this. You can see the candlestick pattern or candlestick chart, and you can drag left or right. Okay, you can drag up and down. Okay, just make it as flexible as you can analyze, and you can see. Okay, if you want to change the time frame here, 1 day or 15 minutes, you can use that one. I've used 15 minutes. Now it is narrowed. Let me zoom, and you can see how I am doing this on chart. And you can see, let me go with the vertical column. Here we have the cross dot arrow eraser, right? And when I hang over here, you can see a plus symbol. If I choose to a dot, now you can see on chart it is showing a dot and arrow. If I want to handle this chart with an arrow, I can use that one, or I can use like eraser symbol. Yes, let me go with the cross. Okay, and this is for manual analysis, and you can see I have given a point over there, and I am trying to uh, touch all the peaks for analysis. It is mostly used when we try triangle patterns for manual trading. In the sense, we will not use any technical indicators or any candlestick patterns. We just try to draw a triangle pattern. If it falls in any of the triangle pattern, we're gonna take the trade. Okay, like this we're gonna try this one, and we can draw like this. Okay, I'm trying to these are nothing but lows. I'm trying to touch all these lows. Okay, yes, this is how we can try. And if you want to make a particular triangle, you can see over here, and you can see like this. Okay, the pattern we can get like this. Okay, and we'll be knowing how to learn this trade, how to learn this triangle patterns also, because very important triangle patterns also. And let me remove it. We can use Control Z. Okay, and if you want to remove this, you can simply click on that, can delete. Either of the ways you can do, because if you want retake whatever you have removed, you can simply click Control Y. Okay, let me try that one. Control Y. It is not working. Why? Let me try again. Let me remove this. Okay, okay, let me draw a new one, because it has been saved, because we have tried that on 3rd Jan, right? So let me try this one. Let me click Control Z. It is removed, and Control Y. Again we got, because this whatever we have, these lines were drawn on 3rd June, so the chart has been saved. So I unable to do Control Y or Control Z operations on this, and currently we are doing on 7th June. So whenever I create this one, I can able to do Control Z and Control Y operations. And let me use this one. So the tool over here is nothing but profit and loss ratios. Let me show with that. Control Z, and you can see whatever the type of pattern you want, you can draw with that. Let me go with the first one, pitchfork. Let me draw this one. Okay, like this you can see. Okay, this is better for analysis part. For now we stick with only technical indicator analysis and how to take trades with technical indicators. So I'm not going deeper, just know how to use these tools and what is the purpose of that. Okay, let me remove this one also. Control Z, or I can simply click on this and you can see a delete button over here. It is removed. And let me zoom a bit larger. Yes, you can see. And this is if you want to write anything. Let me take right here a sell position. Okay, you can see a sell position. Okay, sell. I'm just drawing with my mouse like this. You can take a sell position over here. You can put symbols like this, or else if you want take a buy position over here, you can keep it as buy. If you want to write anything on the chart, you can simply use this pen. And then we have text over here. If you write anything on this, let me write take a buy position. Okay, click. You can adjust this on. Okay, where this place. Okay, and if you want to take a sell position here, let me zoom a bit. Okay, if you want a sell position, you can simply write text sell and you can keep here. Okay, just remove, just make it clean the chart. Okay, try to practice, create a FYERS account and try to practice everything on your own. Get your hands dirty with FYERS, because try to get everything handled on your own, never copy from others. Okay, try to learn everything. And you can see this is pattern based, this one also pattern based. Okay, and I'll show you the difference between manual and this pattern based. Let me remove this one. Okay, and okay, let me remove this one. I've removed that one. And whenever we do a manual analysis, we'll be trying this one. Let me show this one, and then I'll try to draw a line like this. Okay, and the trade we're gonna take, I'm giving a trade logic over here, and let me try that one. When it goes up, okay, after getting this pattern, if it goes up, nothing but crosses this place, we'll take a buy position. If it crosses below this, we'll take a sell position for short selling. Okay, let me try this one. What? Yeah, you can see the same pattern over here. Okay, and why I'm telling this one is we have to look at the practical analysis of XABCD pattern, right? Practical trial of this pattern. Let me click on this. Instead of uh, drawing like this, a single line and taking like this, let me draw a XABCD pattern. XABCD pattern, you can see it has touched over here and I'm dragging down. Okay, it has to touch the peaks. Okay, it is touched the peaks, you can see, and have dragged down. How long it doesn't mean, but you just need to look at the peaks whether touched or not, and then it has to start from here. Okay, it has to start from here. Now it has to touch all the lower peaks. It has to touch all the lower peaks. Okay, yes, you can see, and touch with the X, the first point. You can see it is almost, you can see it is almost similar as the this one, right, that we have tried manually, and you can see I have told you the logic over here, the core logic over here. If it crosses above, we'll take a buy position. You can look over here. Let me zoom a bit more. You can understand very clearly. Let me remove that one. Where is that one? Yes. Let me make it more clear. Yes. You can see. You can take a position over here. Let me draw that line. Okay. You would have taken a position over here, and where you can keep the stop loss, you can keep the stop loss before the previous candle low. It must be before the previous candle low, nothing but here. This general case. This general case I'm telling. After learning, after taking multiple tradings, you can simply keep it the stop loss wherever you want. It all comes on the experience okay, you make from this trading. Okay, and you can check the profits using this, the ratio. Okay, you can see where till for the safe trade we can take the trade for here, right? I think about 1.74%. Okay, 1.77. Okay, ratio. And next we have these buttons. If you want to keep anything, take buy position, and it all depends on your preference. Okay, take, okay, like this. You can simply make it smaller. Where, okay, you can make it smaller. And the next, if you don't want to take, just want to wait for that, you can simply keep it here. Don't take, you can wait, like this. And if you want anything, that depends on your wish. Okay, Bitcoin like this, B, you can keep like this. And this is, you can measure. And I clicked on this, you can see how long the risk reward ratio. You can see 1.78%, like this. And you can see this zoom in button. And if you want to know the OHL's open, high, low, close values, you can click on that. And this is first stay in drawing mode, means when you click on this one, you can log that. Okay, now you can use that only, like that. Let me remove that one. And here you can log all drawing tools. And here, if you want to hide all the drawings that you made on the chart, you can keep simply click on this. You can see the original chart, right? Yes. And above you can see the bank nifty, and if you want to search anything, simply remove everything, click on that, what you want to, okay, what you want to trade in bank nifty. You can see, you can take a near expiry or Feb expiry, March expiry, and we will try to cover everything, because the beginners don't know this 23rd Jan futures, Feb futures, right? I'm talking about expiry. Okay, and this you can keep it as 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 1 day, depends on your preference. And these are candlesticks, or if you want to take as the chart with the bars, you can simply take, you can see the changes and the lines, and whatever you want you can wish to. And let me go with the candles, and you can see when you click on that, you can add some symbols. Okay, company comparisons. And this is for indicators. If you want EMA, you can simply click on this, either of the EMAs. The plot gonna show on this, like this. Okay, and let me remove that one also. Let me hide all the drawings, and let me close that one. DEMA, WEMA, and undo. Nothing but Control Z. It's gonna perform Control Z like this, and redo. Control Y, and exit all position. If you have taken any position, it exit from all positions. Add funds to your FYERS. You can add funds to your account, and this is basket orders. If any orders, it will be showing. You're gonna look at your account user settings. If you want to set anything, if you want to make like this, right, you can see 0.004%. If you want any point decimal values more, you can make it here. These user settings, you can see stop loss, take profit. Is it on actual price? What you want to look at, absolute percentage or absolute value? It all depends on how UI should be able to show you the actual trading. Okay, depends on the feasibility of reset chart. It gonna reset, and refresh trading details. It gonna refresh pop out chart, so it gonna give you a next chart. And view saved cards. If you have any saved charts, those will be shown to you. And go to previous version. You can see that this is 20.1 version. If you click on again, it's gonna show you 20.1 version. From 20.1 version, if you want to take the previous version, you can see this is gonna give you 19 version. And if you want to take the previous version of this one, you can simply click on that. Okay, simply click on that symbols. I think it is showing only two previous versions, 20.1, you can see, and 19 version. Yes, and let me close all this and select layout. Okay, if you want to look at multiple means, if you have taken trading in multiple stocks like 23rd Jan, 25th Jan, like that, you can simply use either of these. Okay, either of these labels. Let me use this one. You can see 23rd Jan, 23rd Jan, 23rd Jan, 23rd Jan, means one is split into four rows. Okay, and let me open this watch list. Watch list is nothing but, if you want to, we'll be having the hundreds of stocks, right? If you want to trade, take on few of the top 10 wish list, that nothing but watch list here. You can simply click on this plus button, and you can whatever the stock you want to add, you can simply add over here. Bank Nifty, let me add this one, 23rd Feb, 23rd March, and 23rd Jan, 23rd Jan, 23rd Jan. You can simply look at here. It's gonna add all this here. And let me remove this one. And here I want to look at 23rd Jan, and here I want to look 25th Jan. Okay, you can see 23rd Feb. Okay, 23rd Jan, 23rd Feb, and whatever this one I want to uh, analyze over here at this row, third row, you can see it is changed to 23rd Jan. And here last, let me add this one. Here you can see 23rd Jan, right? And let me use this one. This is nothing but 23rd Jan 12, 4400 CE. Okay, it has been changed. And let me go with the default one. And then we have, it is auto saved changes. It automatically save changes. And these are chart properties. If you want to change anything, you can change. And this is nothing